The third way to show triangles are similar is side angle side similarity, and that sounds exactly what it sounds like. The two sides have to be in the same ratio. The angle has to be between the two sides, and the two angles have to be congruent. So the sides are in proportion, but the angles are congruent. So let's apply that to a problem here. We want to determine if the triangles are similar. If they are similar, I want to write a similarity statement, and I want to explain why. So we'll start here with the first triangle to the second triangle, and I'll start with my smallest side, which is 18, and I compare that to the smallest side, which is 24. So 18 to 24. I can reduce that because I notice 6 goes into both of them. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now let's do the other pair of sides. And so I'm going to look at, and I'm going to compare 22 to 33. Well, 22 to 33, I can divide both of those by 11. I get 2 to 3. So these are not, they don't have the same ratio, do they? So they're not similar. Let's take a look at example 5. Now this one you got to be careful of, because remember, we're comparing sides. So I want to look at the distance from M to R. So the distance from M to R is 25. And we'll look at the distance from M to P, and that would be 30. So let's set up our ratio here. I'm going to start with my small triangle. I'm going to say 10 is to 25. I can reduce that because I can divide numerator and denominator by 5, and you get 2 to 5. Then I'll compare another pair of sides, and I'll say 12 is to 30. And notice I can divide both of those by 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Notice we have two sides with the same ratio. And notice angle M has to be congruent to itself because it's in both triangles. So by the reflexive property, angle M is congruent to itself. So yes, these two triangles are similar. Why are they similar? Well, they're similar by side angle side similarity. So we'll write that as SAS tilde. And then we're going to write down the names of our triangles. So I'm going to say triangle MNP is similar to triangle, we'll go MRS. And those are your two similar triangles.